Hi everybody, I know we're spending much more time at home for obvious reasons, and so this magic thing behind us called the fridge can be a drawer sometimes, especially when you're sort of at home and you're in the kitchen. It's easy to go to the fridge and just snack. So a little solution for this is one of these. You must have glass and then a jug of water. So a couple of things that happen when you do this. One, it's going to help suppress your appetite, because sometimes when you're hungry, you're actually thirsty, and also this does fill you up a little bit. So between 2 and 3 litres of water a day, because our bodies are made up of quite a lot of water, and also making sure that you're keeping hydrated as much as you can through the day. Anyway, cheers, enjoy your water, thank you for watching.